Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm gonna rob a bank or something. Okay, good morning people. It is Monday, June 29th, 2020. We're actually a little behind schedule. We were hoping to leave the room at exactly 7:30 and it's 7:50.
I've been all around the world. Every city, every place. Always been a restless girl. But now there's a wind of change. I've never ever felt this way. Longing for you, pick up the phone. Catching a flight, I'm coming home. Back to the place I've always known. Home.
So we're going to, we get in the parks an hour early because we're staying at a resort. We're hoping to do the virtual queue for Hagrid's, and then we'll go on like Forbidden Journey or something like that, hopefully as soon as we get in the park. So we go out this way to get to the bus. So right out the side the doors with the bus stop, you have these cool vehicles, and oh my gosh, the bus is here. We're on the bus for the very first time, like the very first Universal bus. This is really nice. We already got our temperature checked when we left the resort, so now we don't have to wait in line at the parks to do it. Never been to this little bus station, and good, it's not majorly busy. So we just realized Braden's never been on a moving walkway because he's never flown. Hey, look at that. It's putt-putt. Oh, I love this. This is nuts. No people. Now, granted, it's not even 9 o'clock, so it hasn't opened up. You know, the park hasn't opened officially to everybody else yet. So Islands of Adventure does not open for early admission, so we're gonna have to go to Universal now. So we're a little frustrated, people, because we get in the park and the only thing open is Gringotts. Like, I mean, at this point, why did we get up this early to do this? Because Gringotts wait is already an hour, and we can ride during the day for less minutes. We can't even like get on the train, like wait for the train and for it to open at 9, because it's not going to open at 9. It opens later than 9. And head over and try to get a virtual pass for Hagrid's. So yeah, plus we've had other issues. This is frustrating so far.
Oh yeah, whoa.
Very lifelike, huh?
That's so cool.
Oh. Alright, so they're boarding early on the train. It's 8:44. So we're about 21st in line to get on the train. So Lakeland just got us a virtual queue for 9:15 to 10:20 on Hagrid's. I'm so excited. So this is how they're doing the queue. They get to go up. We have to wait behind the line. See, there's a gap. They go up, and then they wait behind the line, and so on. So you're not standing beside each other. All right, Braden's very first ride at Universal is the Hogwarts train. Let me see. The kids just took a picture. I do look like a ninja. My mask is so high up. So you have to keep your mask on when you're inside the train also. So we're getting the Dramamine out. Did you see that, Braden? He seems pretty excited. Wow, I've never been in Forbidden Journey and not had to wait all through this queue. And look, we're all the way up here. This is so cool. So I'm noticing a cast member is cleaning the bars, which Brayden shouldn't be touching, but he did out of habit. Oh my gosh, this is insane.
Boarding, as well as providing specific seating assignments for each travel party, which includes while experiencing this attraction. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask one of our Universal team members. Thank you again for your attention, and enjoy the rest of your day here at Universal Orlando Resort.
Oh, I love this room. Alright, what was your thoughts on that?
That was the coolest ride ever. And I want to ride it every day, all day, for the rest of my life.
And us three, one's enough, even with motion sickness tablets. So I want them to sit up there because I have a picture of them when they're smaller in front of the snowman, and Skyland's having issues. Okay, there's a problem now. Now all of y'all are taller and you're blocking the snowman. Cast member made Skyland get down. So they're looking for the entrance. Even though Lakeland, Skyland, and I are a little queasy, we've waited for about 10 minutes to calm down our motion sickness, and we're gonna do the little coaster. Look how close the coaster comes to where the queue, like, did you see Lakeland? Like, it's right over our heads. So this is walk on. I'm gonna ride with Lakeland because his legs are so long. Skyland and Lakeland, Brayden's legs are longer than mine to give Lakeland more room. Look at Lakeland's legs compared to mine. Look at Lakeland's legs. All right, front row. Oh, this is cute. Oh, he moves. Huh? Yeah. Oh. So actually, this is our first time to ride this along with Brayden. I am actually going to wear a GoPro, film what I can. We're not really over our motion sickness, so we're a little nervous. Oh, we're ready for air conditioning. Oh, that feels amazing. Air conditioning helps with motion sickness, by the way. So we're enjoying it.
That's the mermaid. Oh, Lord. Yeah.
I never was great shakes at magic.
Oh my god.
Oh, crikey, you're tangled in devil's snare. Repeat, Lumos Solem after me. Lumos Solem. My missing screws. Best be getting you out of here before you get screws. Best be getting you out of here before you get blasted. Now, hit those purple buttons. Dragonfire's got a kick. Well, I'll be. There's a unicorn. And
thank God it's over.
She's a very lucky thing to see such a sight in the wild.
Try it for the first time. Tell me what you think. We're gonna have a mustache.
That's pretty good.
It is good. So they all got butterbeer. So butterbeers went up. It's now $8.50. And then what did y'all think of Hagrid's ride?
It was awesome. It's really fast.
One of my favorites.
It went fast. I mean, like at the speed, it was fast.
The whole just like it feels so immersive because there's like ruins all around you.
And he's talking and you can hear it. But I'm telling you, people, I took 2 Dramamines and I still feel it. It goes back for a long period.
Actual Harry Potter ride.
Really?
Yeah, it wasn't as bad.
It goes backwards a long period of time. Well, look at the new ride. You get to ride a transfer truck. Okay, this has got to be the most unusual sight I have ever seen at Universal. That is so interesting. I mean, not interesting, but it is interesting because you don't expect a semi in an amusement park. Oh my gosh, so this is normally a congested area, but because I guess lack of kids, not as many kids, it's not. We can get our, wow, this is nuts. We've never ridden it. We're actually gonna ride the train ride for the first time, guys. We've wanted to ride before, but the line was too long for it. It smells definitely like sweet candy through here. This is going to be walk-on, by the way.
Make sure you keep your eyelids up and see what you can see.
Now, what can I say when I get home today? All the long way through town and all the way back, I look round and round and I keep careful track. The next thing I spy is the Hop on Pop shop. Tots hopping on ice cream with cherries on top. As you can see, here in the heart of Seuss Landing is a carousel that's truly outstanding. And I see the trees, the Trumpula trees, the bright colored tufts of the Trumpula trees, mile after mile in the fresh blowing breeze. 1 fish, 2 fish, red fish, blue fish, and look out below! It's that new McGrew Zoo. Oh, what this zoo must be worth! It's the most wonderful zoo on the face of the earth. Say, I like green eggs and ham. I do. I like them, Sam I am. And I will eat them here and there. Say,
so we're getting ready to see a really good view of the new Jurassic Park roller coaster.
He might catch a fish who has fins like a sail. He might catch a fish with a checkerboard belly, or even a fish made of strawberry jam. You see,
we seem to be stuck.
Calls out, every city, every place.